from $3,900 billion to $4,500 billion. The hospitality industry is skyrocketing at an alarming rate in 2022. What is the secret behind the stellar growth? Machine learning and artificial intelligence have personalized the customer experience like never before. Human errors are close to zero as AI can carry out human functions at any time of the day.
But on a day-to-day basis, 90% of restaurants fail in the first year. And why is that? It's because we have low margins, high fixed costs, labor issues, massive changes in demand, the cost of raw materials changes even hourly, inventory issues. With hospitality, there's so much data that we collect in our industry, from customer preferences to pricing information to reservation information, but we don't really do anything with it. And a lot of that data is unstructured data, photos, customer reviews. The hospitality industry used data that they already have, and they were able to apply, artificial intelligence to that. It would be a game changer for our industry. Just think about being able to walk into your business and know how many customers you're going to have today, or know where the customers are from, or know that your food cost has changed since yesterday, therefore you need to change the prices on your menu today. So absolutely, AI is going to supercharge this industry, and those businesses that realize that now and utilize the data they've already got, it's going to absolutely change our industry.
Are you in the hospitality industry? Want to know how Findability solves for you? Write to us.